Khayo-w8m burps in class and gets grounded.
Here comes the school bus.
So Khayo-w8m, where you going?
I'm going to school.
Kicked out the bus, it's for farting and burping.
All right.
Good morning, class. Today we're learning about addition in maths.
I'm going to burp in class.
Hey, who burped in class?
It was Khayo-w8m. That very smells awful.
Khayo-w8m, how dare you burped in class? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Why are you here?
I burped in class.
Khayo-w8m, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're suspended for 100 days. Khayo-w8m, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you are grounded for 1 trillion seconds.
The end.